Hello internet friends, I'm doing a mini prep to shine a light on Justine Campbell's course, Preconception Prep. Now, over here in our household, we are post-conception. We've got a 2-year-old and a 4-year-old. They're amazing, I highly recommend. So if you want to get into conception mode, Justine has the course for you. Today I'm going to show you how to do 3 meals in 40 minutes. That's a breakfast, lunch, and dinner pulled from her recipe book that goes along with the course. So a little more than the time it takes to make one meal, you'll have a whole flight of meals for the day. Such is the power of meal prep. Let's take a look. We're gonna do a chicken sausage and spinach egg bake, a salad with chicken and apples, and a maple Dijon salmon with fingerlings and asparagus. So there you have it. 40 minutes later, we've got a dinner prepped, a breakfast prepped, and a salad to enjoy right away. Justine, shout out to you. These look delicious. As I said, we're trying to avoid conception around here, but these are so tasty, I'm gonna risk it and eat them. Now, Justine's Preconception Prep is just one of 30 courses in this bundle. You'll also get courses on yoga and meditation, detoxifying your home, every kind of workout and diet, and of course, kitchen karate showing you how to implement those diets with meal prep. It's an amazing value, something like $5,000 worth of courses for only 99 bucks, but it's only available for 8 days, so I'd jump on it now before you forget about it. You can find the link to the bundle and the full recipe in the description of this post. That's it for now. Until next time, happy cooking.